Imagine a place where the wild beauty of the jungle meets the endless horizon of the ocean. This is the Raintree House, a sanctuary designed for those seeking a deeper connection with nature and a life in harmony with the environment. Our international clients envisioned a sustainable haven, a testament to living well by embracing nature's embrace. The goal? To create an architectural marvel that coexists with the jungle, not at its expense. Every tree on the site was preserved, adding to the existing habitat. The design philosophy revolves around creating moments of contemplation. Imagine the perfect balance between the untamed wilderness and the comforts of modern living. Sunsets become framed masterpieces, while the gentle rustle of leaves serves as a constant reminder of the vibrant world outside. Even movement through the Raintree House is an experience. The innovative stairwell blurs the line between inside and outside, ensuring a constant dialogue with nature. Sustainability was paramount. Bioclimatic principles guided construction. Water is collected and recycled, and the house itself is designed to withstand the harsh tropical climate. Local techniques and materials are cleverly combined with modern technology, creating a design that's both timeless and future-proof. The Raintree House is a testament to ingenuity. Local craftsmanship meets cutting-edge construction methods, resulting in a unique architectural language. This fusion creates a stunning aesthetic that celebrates both modern design and the rich heritage of Costa Rica. Imagine waking up to the symphony of the jungle, spending your days immersed in nature, and retiring under a sky ablaze with stars. The Raintree House offers a unique opportunity to reconnect with yourself and the natural world. The Raintree House is more than just a structure, it's a philosophy. It's a testament to the power of sustainable design and the transformative potential of living in harmony with nature. Would you like to experience the magic of the Raintree House for yourself?